Properties of four fourth roots of unity. Four fourth roots of unity are four fourth roots of unity are 1 minus 1 iota minus iota. तो प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 1 है sum of all the four fourth roots of unity is 0. Since 1 plus minus 1 plus iota plus minus iota is equal to 1 minus 1 plus iota minus iota is equal to 0. Second property है real fourth roots of unity are real fourth roots of unity are additive inverse of each other. Additive inverse of each other. यानी एक दूसरे का वो एडिटिव इनवर्स है. रियल फोर्थ रूट्स ऑफ यूनिटी आर ये कौन से हैं 1 एंड -1 1 एंड -1 एंड 1 में अगर हम ऐड करें -1 तो ये 0 के इक्वल है. आल्सो -1 में हम ऐड करें +1 तो भी ये 0 के इक्वल है. तो इसका मतलब है ये दोनों एक दूसरे के एडिटिव इनवर्स हैं. 1 में हम -1 ऐड करें तो 0 आता है, -1 में 1 ऐड करें तो 0 आता है. ठीक हो गया. तीसरी प्रॉपर्टी है कंप्लेक्स फोर्थ रूट्स ऑफ unity are additive inverse of each other or additive inverse of each other as well as conjugate of each other. Conjugate of each other. Since iota plus minus iota is equal to 0. Minus iota plus iota is equal to 0. Also, conjugate of iota is equal to minus iota, and conjugate of minus iota is equal to plus iota. फोर्थ प्रॉपर्टी है प्रॉपर्टी नंबर 4, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ all the fourth roots of unity is 1. That is 1 into minus 1 into iota into minus iota. Product of all the fourth roots of unity is minus 1. That is 1 into minus 1 into iota into minus iota is equal to 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Iota into minus iota is minus iota square. This is equal to iota square. And the value of iota square is minus 1.